Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. This is the particular serial regarding the very important Ayurvedic medicinal plants in our medical practice or which are very useful for the common man as well. So this is the next plant that we are discussing today. The name is Sallaki or Shallaki. Shallaki or Sallaki, presented by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. Can you see over here? Kai Chikitsa and Kriya Sharira. For communication, but only text and audio messages on this 922-6810-630. So let us start to discuss about very important plant with relation to the arthritic problems. So those who are suffering from any type of arthritis, it may be rheumatic fever, it may be rheumatoid arthritis, or it may be the osteoarthritis, or any musculoskeletal problems related with muscles, bones, joints, ligaments, tendons, they must see this video very carefully. Shallaki plant. So first, we are always discussing synonyms. Synonyms can give you the idea about the structure of the plant or the properties of the plant or the action of the plant. So suvaha, that means aroma, fragrance spreads in all directions. There is a good fragrance. Then surabhi is again indicating this Shallaki plant can give rise to the nice fragrance. This plant is being used for the cosmetic purposes since ancient times. This plant, Shallaki, is associated with long life. Also, it is very useful for memory, and it is burned as an essence to drive away the evil spirits. What is meant by evil spirits? These all microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, all can be called as evil spirits. In the Bible, the gum exudate from this particular tree was offered to Adam as a consolation for losing the Garden of Eden. It is sometimes the Shallaki plant can be referred as myrrh, M-Y-R-R-H. Shallaki, the Latin name, Bowswellia serrata, tree with the medium height. Upayukta anga, useful parts, gum, bark, and resins. Ayurvedic medicinal plant is always described with the principle of rasa, vipaka, virya, prabhava, siddhanta of dravya guna vijnana. Rasa is taste, katu, pungent, tikta, bitter, and madhura. Vipaka is katu and virya, hot. Ushna virya. Guna, properties, laghu, light, easy to digest, and can enter into the microchannels. Ruksha, cleansing effect. Ushna, stimulates the metabolic process, and tikshna, penetrating action. Shallaki effects, basically, as it is a hot plant, it basically acts on kapha dosha and samapitta. Try to understand. Pitta not normal of Ushna Tikshna Gun, but pitta, whenever it is created, pitta prakop is there with ama. Ama means dysmetabolism, improper metabolism. Ama is there, toxins are there. So samapitta. Dhatu, Shallaki is acting on adipose tissue, Med Dhatu, Shukra Dhatu, cleansing effect on the reproductive system, and Maunsa Vahasrutas or Maunsa Dhatu, that is musculoskeletal system, muscles especially. It is acting on the channels like Maunsa Vahasrutas. That's why I have referred you in the very beginning. Shallaki is very useful for musculoskeletal system problems. Muscle sprain, muscle cramp, muscle pain, muscle hypertrophy. Everywhere you can use Shallaki, locally and externally. It can be used both the ways. That is local or external. Shothahar. It will reduce the edema in the case of arthritis. Vedana sthapana. In English, analgesic. It will cure the pain. No pain. Okay. Durgandhanashana. If it is a foul smelling because of the ama, then that will clear off. Ama will be cleared off and aroma will be improved. Internally, when we consume Shallaki internally, it gives the proper Vata Anulomana. This term is very useful. What is Vata? There are three bioenergies in our body: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata is for every type of movements. It may be the neurological movement, it may be the visceral peristaltic movements, it may be the heartbeat, it may be the lung inspiration, expiration. This up and down, abduction and adduction, every movement, subtle and gross, is controlled by Vata bioenergy. Basically, it is concerned with the neurological conduction, nerve conduction. So proper stimulation will be go everywhere. Vatanulomana. Okay. Next, due to its kashaya and tiktarasa and shitavirya, it reduces the pitta. Again, tiktaras is very useful to control sama pitta. Remember my words, sama pitta. Okay. Kashaya and tiktaras with lagu and ruksha properties can control the kapha bioenergy. Effects. Tiktaras helps to improve the Agni status, metabolic situation in our body, and also helps to digest the unwanted toxins of the body, that is ama. Ama is an endogenous toxin due to faulty metabolism, or it may be exogenous toxin from bacteria, fungi, microorganisms, virus, protozoa, etc. Okay. Madhura ras of Shallaki stimulates the production of dhatu, tissues, rasa, rakt, mouse, med, asti, majja, shukra. Kapha katu vipak, pungent of Shallaki reduces the mala or the waste formation. Shallaki, can you see the typical swelling over here? Swelling, okay. Shallaki is used to reduce the inflammation of the joint, and it is used in RA, rheumatoid arthritis, middle age arthritis, autoimmune arthritis, and OA, osteoarthritis, degenerative, after 40, after 50, backache, low back pain, knee joint pain, osteoarthritis. Shallaki is used in Vata vyadhi, musculoskeletal problems and neurological problems. This is Shallaki in Sandhigata Vata or osteoarthritis. Shallaki stimulates the cartilage formation and reduces the wear and tear effect of the cartilage. Shitavirya is used to reduce the inflammation and burning. Shallaki Kalpa or the products. Shallaki Guggal is available. It is a very similar to the Guggal. Try to understand. Shallaki is a, you can say it as if a variety of Guggal, a variety of better form of Guggal. Okay. 2 TDS, 2 tablets, morning, afternoon, evening. 2 morning, 2 afternoon, 2 evening in Am Vata. It may be rheumatic fever or it may be rheumatoid arthritis. Sandhigata Vata in Ayurveda, that is osteoarthritis. Shallaki capsules are available. 1 capsule in the morning, 1 capsule in the evening after food for Sandhigata Vata osteoarthritis. Can you see? Himalaya Shallaki, bone and joint wellness. Can you read over here? Yes, I can read. Bone and joint wellness. Shallaki capsule. Can you see? Joint support supplement. Extract based veg capsules. Can you see capsules over here? Joint support system. Shallaki Guggal capsules. Salai, Guggal, Bowswellia serrata capsules. Joint support. Okay. Shallaki powder. Herbal Hills company. Shallaki powder is available. So, my dear friend, this is all about Shallaki. But, वैधानिक इशारा, disclaimer, कौन सी भी बीमारी में था आवश्यक था, काल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. If you are suffering from any lumbago, back pain problem, arthritis problem, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, osteoarthritis, cervical spondylosis, lumbago, you should take the help of Ayurvedic doctors and Ayurvedic hospitals. If you don't find anybody, Ayurveda Academy Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande is there to help you with the help of paid online consultation. You can WhatsApp me on 922681060. So I request all of you, please share this video, thumbs up, like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel to boost my energy to do such type of the knowledge sharing activities. Okay, bye bye. Take care. All the best to you. Sarve Pisukina Santu, Sarve Santu Niramayah. All the best.